Okay, so I'm gonna clean my trumpet, which hasn't been cleaned in ever. So that's cool. So the first step to cleaning your trumpet is to disassemble it. Fuck. And you're just gonna want to take out all the shit, which doesn't want it. That was nothing. And sometimes it might not want to come out because it hasn't been cleaned in 10 years. And if that happens, what you're gonna want to do is just let it be. Well, this seems like it's about as far. Oh no, no. Oh, that's gross. Oh, God. So now, I think you're supposed to fill a bathtub with water. And, like, I put a towel in there. I don't know if you're supposed to. I don't know how to do this. I'm supposed to. So, once you got your thing disassembled, you're gonna wanna wait for the bathtub to be filled up. And I use like lukewarm water. Oh, that's not lukewarm, that's hot. And I'm not sure what you're supposed to do if this shit happens. I'm gonna just leave it there. Or don't worry, I got you. Yeah, it's stuck. So as you can see, this is a vintage horn. It's very rare. It's a trumpet. So yeah, we're gonna wait for this water to get real lukewarm. Yeah, I'm not gonna like all lukewarm because like I don't know who Luke is, but that's cool. So I'm gonna just wait for this thing to be like trumpet up. Is that good enough? That's about good enough. I don't know why I took that out. We'll just leave that in here. And then you're gonna want to like stop the water thing. So like spread that little towel around there a little bit. And then you're gonna want to just leave that in there. Take all your other shit. Oh, you're probably supposed to take that apart. That'll do. Stick that in there. These things go in. Maybe these are supposed to be like taken apart. That's looking alright. Stick all of this shit. I think you're supposed to take off like that stuff, cause like it's fabric and fabric's like gay. Okay, this is just gonna have to go in. Oh, this thing's so fucked. And then I'm just gonna stick all of this in. I'm not gonna put those things in though, because those are like, I was gonna say they're like mother of pearl, but I don't think it is with this thing. It's probably like plastic. Fuck, can I even? Okay, that's just gonna have to go in. So then you're gonna wanna let that sit for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna stick the mouthpiece in. I don't know if you're supposed to, but this thing's like green, so I don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay, so we'll just leave that in there for like 30 minutes. So when you're waiting, you can be doing like a bunch of stuff. I like to play games. So like, like the best thing to do is, you know, choose one that's like relaxing and takes like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna be playing some Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. So you just gotta wait for that to boot up, and then you're good. So, where the fuck is it? Hello? Oh, there it is. So you're gonna wanna spam spacebar because that makes it a little faster. Oh yeah, we're in. See, there's the oh, sorry. So we're gonna want to go to play. You're gonna want to go into. Fuck, that's the wrong thing. You're gonna want to go into multiplayer, and then you're gonna want to go to the fuck's two-step verification. Okay, we're gonna want to go to casual. Then you're gonna put on gaming headset, and then you're just gonna wait for it to load. It's important to build up a good relationship with your teammates, so like they help you win the match. I like to pick Maestro because he has like, I don't know what button it is to reload, and like, so then we just you go like, ah, fuck, someone's calling me. And that's how you play Rainbow Six. You're gonna want to go over your trumpet. You're gonna want to kind of, yeah, you're gonna want to get a snake. So like, that's like a brush with like a string, and I don't own one of those because I'm not a fucking billionaire. So I'm gonna improvise. So I got this thing. It's like a stick, and I got like a zip tie, and I got one of those, whatever this is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just zip tie it. Oh yeah. You see that? That is technology at work. So you're gonna want to grab some cutter thingies, and you're gonna want to just snip off the end, and then you're gonna want to. Oh, fuck, it's like Interstellar. Okay, we got it. So now what we want to do is take your improvisation stick, and you're gonna want to just stick it through all the pipes and stuff. Oh, oh, that's good. Shit, I'm gonna have to stick that there. Oh fuck, it's too big. Now that you're all cleaned up, you're gonna want to take another. Oh, gross. You're gonna want to wash your hands. Now that your hands degreased, you're gonna want to dry it off. Okay, and then you're gonna take your other towel. You're gonna just stick it down there. I'm just gonna use this for transport though, cause like I got like a whole system devised for this. So then you grab all your stuff.